Hello buddies, welcome back once again. In today's video I'll be showing you all how to make this perfect, amazing, super delicious popcorns. In this video I'll be showing you how to make 4 varieties of popcorn: the rainbow popcorn, the buttery sugar popcorn, the salt popcorn, and the milky popcorn. And they taste super amazing and very crunchy and soft as well. So I would like you to relax and enjoy this video. So first we'll start by making the salt popcorn. Now to make this salt popcorn, you add in some vegetable oil into a pot. Then to that you add in some salt. You add any of these based on the quantity you want to make, okay? Now after adding the salt and the vegetable oil, you're going to go in with your popcorn, your popping corn. Yes, this popping corn is different from the normal corn, and this is treated one, or is foreign popcorn. If it is local one that is not treated already, you have to soak it in water, then spread it under the sun and let it dry. You have to soak it in hot water, spread it under the sun and let it dry, then dry perfectly before you can use it. Now once you transfer into your pot, you cover this airtight. Monitor the heat, make sure that the heat is high, put it on a high heat and monitor it. You will get to hear the sound of the corn popping. Once it starts popping, you will start shaking it. At a point, you will need to lift the pot up above the heater or the hot plate or the cooker, so that the popcorn will not burn inside. Okay, so you have to kind of lift it a little while you shake it. So you keep on shaking it from time to time, shake it from time to time till you have your corn all popped. Now let's make the buttery sugar popcorn. To the same pot, you add in butter. Make sure you use butter, not margarine. Add in butter, add in your sugar, depending on the quantity of popcorn that you want to make. Okay, now once you are done adding your butter and your sugar, you go in with your flavor. Okay, you add a flavor of your choice. Here I have my combo flavor, I just added it. Then add just a little bit of water. You don't need too much water. If the popcorn you are going to make is much, then you know the quantity of water to add, but if it is less, just add a little bit of water. This water is going to help to dissolve the sugar and also disperse the other ingredients you have mixed. Okay, then you go in with your popcorn. Okay, the salt popcorn that you've made before. You can see I didn't add salt into this because I have already made my popcorn with salt, so I don't need to add extra salt. Now you go ahead and start stirring this on a low to medium heat because you don't want it to burn. You can as well from time you may need to shake it. If you don't want to kind of keep on stirring it, you can shake it from time to time until you are sure that everything has coated so well and the base or the bottom of your pot is dry, just this way. Okay, it's dry. Now you keep on stirring on a low heat. Now you just reduce your heat to low heat and keep on stirring on a low heat till they become super dry, like they're not going to be soft again on the outside and they're going to taste so crunchy. Like when you taste them, it will be crunchy in your mouth, just this way. Next, let's make the rainbow popcorn. Now here I use margarine. You can also use butter, you can also use margarine for this particular one. So you add in the margarine or the butter into your pot just the same way you did before. Add in your sugar. Now you add in just a little bit of water, like I said, depending on the quantity you are making. This water will help to dissolve the sugar and also mix the other ingredients or other materials you're going to be adding into this. Next, I went in with my strawberry flavor because I want this to be strawberry flavored popcorn. Then I added my red velvet food color. Just add any red food color that is approved. You can use the liquid or you can use the gel one. I added extra vanilla flavor anyways, then combined everything together. Then I added my salt popcorn that I made earlier and then started combining them just the way I did with the buttery sugar popcorn. Okay, combine everything together just this way till everything is thoroughly mixed and the base of your pot is dry and they come out super crunchy and they are not kind of soggy on the outside or wet on the outside anymore. but make sure that your heat should be between low to medium. Once everything is combined and your pot is dry at the base or the bottom, you bring down the heat to low heat and keep on stirring it till they turn out not wet on the outside or not moist on the outside. Okay, so that's how you're going to make the other colors. Like if you want to make green color, yellow color, blue color, any color at all. Like this particular one, I tried to make the green color. I added my margarine, added my flavor, added my sugar, then added a little bit of water, then mixed everything, then added my color. Okay, because this water is going to help to mix this color and bring out the actual color that you have added into the mix. Okay, then you mix, pour in your popcorn and your salt popcorn and combine everything together. And please guys, help me to be sharing my videos, help me to engage on my videos by liking and commenting. It helps to make my video recommendable to others, please. So next I decided to make another color, but this time around I decided not to add water because somebody was saying, must I add water? In my first video I made about this, the person said, must I add water, this and that water can make it not come out fine and all that. I said, okay, let me do this without water. I added my margarine, added my sugar, added my yellow color. Now you can see that the yellow color did not come out so well, did not show so well because I didn't add water. Okay, I added my flavor as well. Now I added my salt popcorn and combine. While combining it was kind of a little bit stressful because the sugar kind of clogged to one place, clogged to each other. Like they were just on their own, on its own. The sugar is just on its own. It's not even mixing, combining with the popcorn. It's not even kind of giving me the vibe, the what I want. You can see how the sugar just packed on one side and all that. Okay, and that color, that perfect yellow color that I wanted didn't work. Now I repeated it. Yes, I repeated it. Now I added water and you can see how perfect it is. The second one I repeated, the yellow one I added water, just the normal way I did the green and the red one, and you see how perfect it is. Once you are done making the rainbow color popcorns and you still want them super crunchy, what you have to do is to switch on your oven, set the temperature at 180, then place them in the oven and let them stay in the oven for up to 20 minutes, and after that you can take them out from the oven and let them cool. This was the one in the white plate, is the one that I did without adding water. You can see how it is. And this in the stainless plate is the one I did adding water, and you see how they turn perfect. Yeah. So for the milk popcorn, this is one of the popcorns you see people sell on the street. That your buttery sugar popcorn, just pour it into your container. Either you are using a nylon or you're using a popcorn cup or popcorn container. Transfer it, add your powdered milk, shake, and you're ready to enjoy that. You can package your popcorn this way. If you want your popcorn to remain crunchy and taste amazing, please keep it airtight.